Welcome back to the M-Pesa channel. In today's documentary, we'll help you understand what is mobile money. We see quite often in the news, M-Pesa breaks borders, MTN hits new transaction records, mobile money expands and facilitates how half of the continent pays on the continent, but so many people don't actually understand what mobile money is. And this documentary will help you truly understand what is mobile money. Simply defined, mobile money is an African model of payment, one where individuals use USSD to make payments both domestically and internationally. In this documentary, we'll go through all the details you need to know in order to truly understand how much of a revolution mobile money is. This video was sponsored by us, M-Pesa. We provide software to help you manage every aspect of your business. Whether it's sales, marketing, email, customer care, finance, inventory, or any other aspect of your business, you can use our software to help you manage it. We got you covered. Visit M-Pesa.com to know more. In this documentary, we'll help you understand the following. Number 1, the history of mobile money. Number 2, why mobile money has worked in some countries and failed to work in others. Number 3, how does mobile money work? Number 4, what is it used for by individuals? And number 5, what role does it play in the business world? So let's get started. Mobile money is a replica of mobile payments that PayPal and a couple of other companies launched in 2014. In Africa, however, mobile payments are old news. The term mobile money was first coined in 2007, even before Apple iPhones were launched. The first company to launch a mobile money platform was Safaricom in Kenya. Within their first year of operation, the company had over 1 million users using mobile money in Kenya. Over the years, the technology has grown and scaled across different African countries. In Uganda, there are 2 major telecoms that play a role in mobile money. That's Airtel and MTN mobile money. In Tanzania, there is Tigo Pesa, Vodacom M-Pesa, and Airtel Money. From the time M-Pesa launched in Kenya, different telecoms across the continent have developed their own kind of mobile money network and branded it a different name. This could be Orange Money, this could be Airtel Money, this could be Vodacom M-Pesa, but ideally the concept is all the same. It's about using the phone as a conduit for individuals to access financial services. Fast forward to 2021, the technology has become the standard of how people prefer to pay on the continent. Many more adult people prefer to pay using mobile money than the banks. As of 2021, more than half of the African continent actually pays using mobile money. So why has mobile money sprung to life in some countries and failed in others? There is a strong correlation between the quality of the banking system and mobile money presence. In the countries where the banking system was, for lack of a better word, shitty, mobile money thrived. And for those where the banking system was strong, mobile money failed. Let's take Uganda as an example. Bank transactions used to take 2-3 days for one transaction to reflect on another person's account. To top that all off, the cost of a transaction was up to the tune of $5. In addition to this, there were very few branches across the country, meaning if you are in a remote location within the country, in some cases you had to travel up to 30 kilometers just to access banking services. When mobile money provided an alternative way to provide financial services, this came as a no-brainer because so many people were already frustrated with the banking system as a whole. Mobile money created a lot of ease whereby the transactions were instant, cost a fraction of a cent, and to access your money, there were so many agents across the country, meaning within a couple of minutes you could have access to whatever money. It came as a no-brainer for mobile money to thrive in Uganda. This is the same situation across most of the countries where mobile money had a strong presence. On the contrary, however, countries like Nigeria had a stronger banking system. I mean, if I transferred money now, within a couple of microseconds, those funds would have reflected on the account I want them to go to. In most instances, transactions were actually free. Why would someone use mobile money if there is already a convenient module of payment that is instant and affordable? That is what caused the discrepancy between the countries where mobile money thrived and those where it did not. So how does mobile money work? Mobile money is centered around two things: the phone network and the agent network. We have a more in-depth video explaining explicitly how mobile money works, and if you'd like to check that out, there's a link in the description. But for this video, we'll give you the short form of how it works. Mobile money depends on two things. Number one, the agent network, and number two, the phone network. To get us started, let's help you understand what is the role of the agent network. As part of the telecom strategy, the mobile money networks created what they call agent points across the country. These agent points could be supermarkets, fuel stations, or any shop really. As long as someone could easily come and deposit money or withdraw money, any point could act as an agent network. What I would compare this to is an agent network is an ATM network. For as long as I want to withdraw my money, I can go to an ATM. And for as long as I want to deposit money, I could still use an ATM. The difference between the two is an ATM is just a larger machine, and the agent network for the telecoms is just a person with a mobile phone that takes cash and gives cash at point of withdrawal and point of deposit. Why the agent network is important to mobile money's growth is because number one, the cost of having a phone to deposit and withdraw money is much less than the cost of setting up an ATM. Meaning these agent points could crop up everywhere in the country at a rate much faster than you could set up ATMs. In some countries, the agent network has become so strong that any direction you move, every 100 meters there is some sort of agent, someone you could deposit money and withdraw money from. Now why would you bother looking for an ATM if wherever you look, any direction you take, whether east, north, south, there is some kind of agent you could withdraw from? This is why mobile money has become a stronger force in the financial game than the banks are locally in Africa. 2. The role the phone plays. The phone could be looked at as the person's bank account. All you need is your phone. Whether you have an internet connection or not, you could access whatever financial services are provided by the mobile money networks. In most cases, people dial some sort of code. It could be *185# in order to access these mobile money services. Off your phone, you could do things like buy airtime, pay for utilities, pay for insurance, and multiple other financial services. And all this is done through the phone. The fact that these financial services are being offered on the phone creates a point of convenience that is unmatched for any individual. Why would I go through the hassle of going to the bank just to send money if I have to line up for 3 hours? if I could do the same transaction using my phone. So this has played a crucial part in giving mobile money the leadership position when it comes to the financial game in Africa. How is mobile money being used by businesses? In some countries like Kenya, 97% of the adult population use mobile money as the preferred mode of payment. For you to tap into the bulk of the country's money, you need to begin accepting mobile money as a form of payment. Otherwise, you forcing people to use credit or debit cards as a mode of payment, yet it's not what the normal population is used to, puts you at a point of disadvantage. This may explain why not only the local companies in Africa are accepting mobile money as a mode of payment, but also international companies coming from Europe, from the US, are looking into how exactly can I tap into mobile money, because at the end of the day, what they're interested in is the funds, not the module of payment. It's the money that they want. For a company, whether in Africa or the rest of the world, to tap into mobile money as a mode of payment, you could work with payment gateways like DusuPay that integrate several mobile money options across the African continent. That way, you tap into how the continent pays, as opposed to forcing people on the continent to pay using a mode of payment you in the Western world may be comfortable with. At the end of the day, what you're looking for is the money. So whatever mode of payment is comfortable for the local people, it's what you should be using. And this is the mentality that most businesses have adopted. Tap into how the people are paying, as opposed to how you forcing them to use modes of payment that you may be more comfortable with. How is mobile money being used by individuals? Many individuals consider mobile money a replacement to the banks. Many of the services that they were getting from the banks previously are now being got through mobile money. Utilities payments was big business for the bank, but now no one pays for their utilities through the banks anymore, or at least a very small portion still do. Loans were very big business for the banks, but now they can still be gotten through mobile. Look at it this way. In many of the countries with a shitty banking system, mobile money has become the new bank. So whatever the bank could provide is now being provided by the mobile networks, better, faster, cheaper, and more effectively. In a nutshell, that's what mobile money is. It's Africa's financial revolution. Born in Africa, created in Africa, and now being adopted in different parts of the world. So if this video better helps you understand what mobile money is, please don't forget to leave a comment, like, share the video. It helps us grow. For now, that's all from us today. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the M-Pesa channel.